Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing with the episode 3 of our Jars at Home series and we are making a delicious homemade tomato chutney. This chutney is a perfect blend of tangy, sweet and spicy flavors. Let's get started. Here you can see that I have taken fresh tomatoes. I have washed them and now I am chopping them into small pieces. For the next step, I have transferred the tomatoes to a large pot after chopping them, and now I am adding few necessary spices. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 teaspoons of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 2.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, and now I am adding 12 cloves. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. It gives a very nice flavor to the chutney. Further, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger to the mix for that deliciously sharp flavor. Now I am mixing everything together really well. So the spices, salt and ginger evenly coat the tomatoes. Once that's done, we are ready to start cooking. Now I am transferring the tomatoes to my cooking pot and I am going to keep the flame from medium to low heat. Once the cooking process starts, you will notice that they will start to release their juices and they soften up nicely. This process helps the flavors melt together and also intensifies the taste of the chutney. Once the tomatoes have softened enough, now it's time to add 1.5 cups of sugar. This sugar actually balances out the tartness of the tomatoes and also the heat from the spices. Stir it and continue cooking the chutney until it started to thicken. Here you can see that the chutney has thickened to the perfect texture. We are going to turn the flame off, and at this point we are going to add 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice really brightens up the flavors of the chutney and also helps in the preservation process. After mixing in the lemon juice, we let the chutney cool completely before we are transferring it into a clean sterilized jar. This ensures it keeps fresh for a longer period of time, and there you have it, a beautifully thick, flavorful tomato chutney that is actually perfect for sandwiches, snacks or as a side to your favorite meals. You can refrigerate it and use it up to a month. I hope you enjoyed making this chutney with me today. And if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes of Jars at Home series. This is episode 3 and there is so much more to come. Let me know in the comments what you will pair your chutney with. Thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.